Hey guys, what's up? Today I decided I gotta clean my shower because it's not looking too good. To be honest, I've been meaning to clean it for a while, but we've had so much going on. I haven't hardly been home at all, so I haven't even had time yet. But the good news is I'm finally gonna be home for at least a week, so now I have time to clean it. Okay guys, I literally just started laughing at this because look how many soaps I have. That is actually insane. Anyways, let's start cleaning. I'm spraying the whole shower down with this bathroom cleaner, and then I'm gonna give it a good little scrub. This scrubbing made such a difference because after I washed everything down, it looked so much better already. This one little stain here is so stubborn, it just doesn't want to come off. I have to admit, this is actually pretty fun and very satisfying, so if I had to rate this whole experience, I would give it a solid 8 out of 10, maybe 7.5. This rinsing is the best part, I love it. Also, if you're still watching, I have a little secret for you. Like I said, we have been very busy, but we're going to go on, let's see, I guess I'll call it a little trip very soon. And we're going to make some amazing videos out of it that I can't wait to share with you guys. I am so excited. So definitely stay tuned for that. It's going to be so cool. Anyways, I let this dry for a little bit. All the water was gone, and now it's time to put everything back. First, gotta take all the cleaning supplies out, get rid of those. Now it's time to put everything back, just a little bit more organized this time. This is already looking so much better, you guys. I love it. It's so fresh and clean. Here we go, all finished. It's looking fabulous. If you guys haven't cleaned the bathroom recently, definitely clean it. I highly recommend. You'll be so much happier, trust me. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.